I'm Chris Brown. I'm the communications specialist at Magtech. Magtech's been a leader in payments for almost 50 years, and today I'm here to discuss our latest innovation in payments, the DynaFlex Pro. The DynaFlex Pro, the reader in this box, will help take your payment solution to the next level. How? Well, let's check it out. First, always inspect the box to make sure the packaging and security tape has not been tampered with, because security is important even before you open the box. Now, when you open the box, included are these instructions. Also online, there's a complete installation and operation manual and programming manuals. This is the USB cable. USB-C for the device and USB for the host. Now, use the cable that's included because it has shielding at both ends to reduce emissions and interference. And this is the DynaFlex Pro. It's an integrated secure card reader authenticator. It encrypts, authenticates, and tokenizes digital data from magstripe cards, EMV, contact and contactless cards, and NFC-enabled mobile wallets like Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, and Google Pay. A key differentiator to DynaFlex Pro is that all three payment touchpoints are visible from one spot, the top-down view. Chip card, magstripe, contactless. It also has micro suction feet for a non-slip grip. When you connect to the host via USB, DynaFlex Pro powers on immediately. It also offers a color touchscreen display and supports USB HID interface. Accepting payments. Magnetic stripe payment. You position the card's magstripe toward the LED lights and swipe. It's bi-directional, so you can swipe both ways. EMV chip cards. Point the chip towards you and insert the card. Then push gently until it stops. Contactless cards or smart devices. Tap the card or payment device near the contactless loading zone, and there you go. DynaFlex Pro is an SRED host-driven secure card reader authenticator. It's ideal for your payment solution, the DynaFlex Pro.